What's up, rock stars? It's Jen Hansard from Simple Green Smoothies, and today we are gonna make a spinach pineapple smoothie, also known as Pineapple Dream in our house. This is just another tasty green smoothie recipe that we love to make, and it's also part of one of our 10-day challenges. So today I wanna show you how to make it. So first thing we're gonna do is add 1 cup of spinach to the blender. All right, and then we're gonna add 1 cup of almond milk. And this glass of almond milk right here has 4 grams of protein. So you are boosting your smoothie quickly with protein by adding almond milk to it. Depending on what kind of blender you have, you can put the lid on and blend right now. If you have a low powered one, this will really help you break up those leafy chunks. If you have a high powered blender like a Vitamix, Blendtec, even a Ninja, you won't need to do that. So we're gonna keep on moving on. So the next step is we're gonna add in pineapple. I'm doing frozen pineapple because I don't have to cut it, and it's frozen, already makes the smoothie cold, and it's quick. And then I just added 1/2 cup of frozen cherries for the exact same reason. Now we're gonna add a banana. And you may be thinking, why would I have a nasty banana on this video? But I wanna show you that the darker, the browner they are, the sweeter they are, and the creamier your smoothie will be. So this banana looks pretty good to me for a smoothie. So I'm just gonna take 1/2 of it and add it to that. All right, so we have all of our ingredients in the blender. I am using the Vitamix 7500 series blender. It's refurbished, which means someone returned it for some reason, which gave me a great deal on it. Saved $200 just by doing that. So if you're at all interested, in the show notes below, I can show you how to get that same kind of deal. Let's see it in action. Ready to go. No leafy chunks. And yeah, it kind of looks more like a brown smoothie, and that's because of the cherries that we used in it. But that's okay because the greens are in there, all the plants, all the goodness is right here coming alive as we drink it in our bodies. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in my to-go cup because I have to run errands today, and I want to show you how you can still be healthy on the go. Just have some sort of lid with a straw so when you're driving you can easily pull it out and sip and enjoy that pineapple spinach goodness. So good. All right, if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, now's the time to do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll answer them as well. All right, see you on the next video.